hearts are burning here for you, oh God, in darkest night. We call upon your holy name in longing for your light. The world grows cold, the dust surrounds, yet still our spirits cry. We search for you, Lord of all worlds, though you seem far and high. Where are you, God of mercy? Where is your timeless voice? Where is your light, oh God, tonight? Where is your hand that leads us right? Where is the fire that sets us free? Your presence in our misery. We stand and wait in silent plea. Our hearts are longing just for thee, oh God. Your light will never die. Lead us through night to thee. The world is rising loud with pride, lost in its restless might. Yet still your truth lives on in those who guard it through the night. The soul is thirsty, crying out to see your holy face, yet often hides your nearness, Lord, within the test we face. Why is there pain, oh God? What shapes us by your will? Where is your light, oh God, tonight? Where is your hand that leads us right? Where is the fire that sets us free? Your presence in our misery. We stand and wait in silent plea. Our hearts are longing just for thee, oh God. Your light will never die. Lead us through night to thee. If there were no cold, how would we feel your flame? If there were no trials, would we stay the same? You say, be steadfast, hold on fast, for I am always near. Through every pain, your soul will grow. I've always been right here. In deepest night, a hidden light is seen by faith alone. A spark of your eternity within the hearts you've known. You never left us, Lord, not once, though darkness fills our sight. For even in the pain we bear, you walk with us in light. Now shines your light, oh God, tonight, awakening hearts to hope and sight. Now burns the fire that sets us free. Your love within our destiny. We carry on step after step, guided by you with every breath. Your love, the light that always leads our souls, return to thee, oh God, the source of every light. Remain within our hearts for those who seek you in the night, are lifted by your spark.